improperly installed spigots. So this spigot, where you turn this on and off for the water to come out, this has a pipe that runs about 12 to 18 inches back in through the wall. When you turn this knob, there's a rod that goes all the way to the back of this that opens and closes for the water to come in and out. If this rod is sitting at a negative angle into the house, the water fills up on the inside of this rod and it can freeze and bust and then cause your spigot to leak from there on out. Whenever this is installed, you always want it to be raised so the back end is higher than the front end. So whenever you turn this spigot off, all of the water that's in that pipe will drain out, and then there won't be any water in there to freeze and bust. To correct this, you would have to go inside and elevate the back part of this pipe.